Hello, my friends. Welcome back. Simona Cochi, the Italian way. Welcome to the first insights into the 2025 edition of Salone del Mobile. This is the world's premier design fair. Discover the innovations, the events, and the key figures that will make this edition unforgettable. So, I gathered together a list of information, the essentials, in order to clear up the situation, and then I will leave you with a slideshow of the best pics I get from the press office from Salone del Mobile. This will be the 63rd edition of Salone del Mobile.Milano. The dates from April the 8th until the 13th, 2025. Inside the outstanding architectural project, our exhibition, how incredible place that is Ro Fiera Milano. And the title, the theme is Thoughts for Humans, a new communication campaign by Densu Creative Italy. You can see and I admire the concept behind my shoulders. The key highlights are the following. The opening event, entitled Mother by Robert Wilson, a tribute to Michelangelo's Pietà Rondanini. The venue will be Museo Pietà Rondanini, that is located inside Castello Sforzesco Milano, in the city center. And the main features will be all about light, music, Stabat Mater by Arvo Part, the outstanding music piece, masterpiece of medieval music, and visual art. The public view will run until May 18, 2025. And then we have also to highlight this edition will be accompanied by the Euroluce, that is the biennial fair tributed to the light, because lights is absolutely an element of design, because involves spaces and well-being in certain spaces. So it's like to put the perfect frame on a masterpiece. And the launch will be the Lighting Forum April 10, 11th, 2025. The focus will be all around key topics on lighting, technology, sustainability, and innovation. Key speakers, Robert Wilson again, Drift, Marianne van Obel, Kaoru Mende, and many others. There are scholars and leading figures coming from all over the world to participate to these panels. We have also a bunch of cultural synergies, collaboration with Milano Art Week and MiArt. The linkage between Milan's cultural institution and then design trade fair is absolutely very strong. Global engagement. We have a tour entitled Salone Milano and Beyond that is traveling all around the world, campaign in New York, Shanghai, Paris, and many other cities. The goal is to strengthen global outreach and industries connections for our design system. Another key points is sustainability and innovation. Campaign highlights integration of human values, innovative materials, and sustainable design. The featured artist will be Bill Derging, with photography emphasizing the human connection to design. I want to also highlight the statistics and growth of our Salone del Mobile. We can claim a record-breaking 2025 edition with 65.3% international attendance. We supposed to be sold out in 2025 edition, featuring global exhibitors and emerging markets. we have to spend a few words on the credits and the long list of collaborations organized by Federlegno Arredo Eventi SPA. The key collaborators are the Municipality of Milano, Direzione Cultura, Teatro alla Scala, and International Creatives. Salone del Mobile Milano continues to uphold its reputation as the world capital of design, bringing innovation, culture, and global dialogue. You will see also Milano contaminated by different events bustling all over. We have different design district. There is not only Via Durini, but it's spread all over. You just check on the municipality sites. Links for more information. The main is salonemilano.it. And so I really hope to have provide a structured narrative for creating your compelling visit to Milano for that period. Also, I collect and I gather together the most interesting pics as a preview. They send me a very interesting press kit from the press office of Fiera Milano, and I really hope you could enjoy this event because it's really something unique, and there is always something that can hit your imagination. And yeah, it's a very extraordinary experience, not only in Fiera but also to inside the Fuori Salone all over the city. Okay, so I just ask you to give me a thumbs up and to subscribe to this channel. I will be keen to keep up producing videos to cover this event. And yeah, that's all. See you soon. Ciao.